Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to sell a package on Vagaro. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated trying to sell packages to your clients? Maybe you've tried creating packages that are too expensive or too complicated. Or maybe you've just had trouble getting your clients to understand the value of a package. So, you're not alone. Many salon and spa owners struggle to sell packages effectively. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that will help you sell more packages and increase your revenue. So, let's get started. What is a package? A package is a group of services or products that are sold at a discounted price. It's a great way to increase your average ticket size and generate more revenue. There are two main types of packages: service packages, product packages. Service packages are a group of services that are sold at a discounted price. For example, you could create a package that includes a haircut, shampoo, and conditioning. Product packages are a group of products that are sold at a discounted price. For example, you could create a package that includes a shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Why should you sell packages? There are a number of reasons why you should sell packages. Here are a few of the most important benefits. Increase your average ticket size. Generate more revenue. Build customer loyalty. Improve your marketing efforts. How to create a package. Now that you know the benefits of selling packages, let's talk about how to create one. Here are a few tips. Choose the right services or products. Make sure that the services or products in your package are relevant to your target audience. Set the right price. Your package should be priced competitively, but it should also be profitable. Create a compelling name and description. Your package should be easy to understand and memorable. Promote your package. Once you've created your package, be sure to promote it to your clients. You can do this by adding it to your website, social media, and email newsletters. How to sell a package. Now that you've created a package, it's time to sell it. Here are a few tips. Offer a discount. This is a great way to incentivize your clients to purchase a package. Use social proof. Share testimonials from other clients who have purchased your package. Create a sense of urgency. Let your clients know that the package is only available for a limited time. Provide excellent customer service. Make sure that your clients have a positive experience when purchasing and using your package. Here are a few additional tips for selling packages on Vagaro. Use Vagaro's Package Builder. Vagaro makes it easy to create and sell packages. Track your results. Keep track of how many packages you sell and how much revenue they generate. This will help you determine which packages are the most successful. Stay up to date on the latest trends. The beauty and wellness industry is constantly changing. Make sure that you're up to date on the latest trends so that you can create packages that are relevant to your clients. Selling packages is a great way to increase your revenue and build customer loyalty. By following the tips in this video, you can sell more packages and grow your business. If you have any questions about how to sell a package on Vagaro, please leave a comment below. I would also love to hear from you about your own experiences with selling packages. What has worked for you? What hasn't worked? Thanks for watching.